Hey, what's up, guys? I have a little time to do some peg hunting today. I have two small children and they're napping, and my wife is napping also. So during this time, I'll try to get out and do a little peg hunting. So I'm going to go to Walmart and Target today both. I'm going to try to get to them before they get too crowded. But let's go check it out. Just kind of some of the old stuff, some of the old C cases. I've kind of gone through some of it. Not a whole lot other than just some mainline stuff here. It's definitely been picked through. But I was walking down here looking at some of the mainline stuff. By the way, there's some more of the blue exotics, color changers. This is pretty cool. Skinny rally truck, kind of cool. I haven't seen these before. These metal machines, kind of cool. There's like an Escape, and then there's that's pretty cool. Poison Ivy, pretty neat, huh? But anyways, I was going over here and looked at some of the premium stuff. There's the Monster Jam stuff, some of the premium stuff. And they have a bunch of these M2s that I saw this time. And I've only seen them at Hobby Lobby so far, but I guess they're starting to make their way into Walmart. So look at this. This is cool too. Look at the hauler with the 924 GT. And this is the same thing with the Corvette. 69 Corvette. Look at that. It's really, really cool. For $18, I'll probably not get one, but they're really cool. Here's also look at this thing. Dodge Charger Daytona. That's pretty sweet too. But what I did pick up is these right here. Look at that Camaro. 68 Camaro SS. That's incredible, isn't it? And then I'm going to pick up one of these. I like Corvette 427. It's pretty neat, huh? Super high quality. It's only like $4, so I'm going to grab it. But anyway, I just want to pop in for a real short video here. They've also got one of these 70 Challengers. Pretty cool. Auto World. Pretty good stock of the Mario Karts and the Cars vehicles. Quite a few Fast and Furious here. RX-7, the Transformer, that's kind of cool. The Bumblebee Transformer car. I saw this too, this is kind of cool. The 09 Chevy Stingray Joker car. Pretty cool. Yeah, they're doing a really good job with these cars. Here's a Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic Park. That's super cool too. They just do such a great job with all this stuff. There's the Power Rangers, NSX, some bigger ones, Charger, S2000, Corvette. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna go to the checkout counter and pick up this Corvette, and I'm gonna pick up this 68 Camaro SS. I'll get them both on camera here. But yeah, great cars, great castings, love them. I'm gonna get both. Thought I would stop by Target on my road trip here, and I have a little bit of stock here, not much. This is some DKs, and I just saw a couple guys leaving that kind of gone through this pretty good, so I'll go through a little bit of it, but there's not much here from what I've kind of seen. There's some 20 packs, some 9 packs. I saw this Paw Patrol here. My little boy, he just turned 5, and he probably loved that. He loves Chase and Marshall, so I'll probably get that for him. He loves it, and that's what it's all about, right? Having fun with him. So some color shifters are full. Do a Mario Kart, some Mario Kart. These are kind of cool. Some of the pop culture, Overwatch, pretty neat. These Batman cars have been here a while. Bat Cycle, and there's I think the Charger, Batman vs Superman, and there's the Batmobile. That's pretty neat, right? Pretty cool. Some Mario Kart. I really want to find one of these with like some JDM cars, Super Skyline. I've seen them online, and just never have seen them in person. But one of these days I'll find them. But there's a Mario Kart kit right there. A Bash City. That's pretty cool. I was here last time. Some of these are here, Roger Dodgers and some kits. No DeLorean here, but I picked one up a couple days ago, so I think I'm gonna not buy any more of those unless any other people out there need one. If you need one, let me know. If you guys see something that you like in the video, I'm happy to pick it up and ship it to you and just pay for it. No big deal. Happy to help you out. From one collector to another, some Matchbox, and here's some Clue cars, some Integras, and there's a GTO in there. Some Modern Muscle, some Dodge Stealth. This is cool. Haven't seen this before. Porsche 911 Carrera, the Majorette. That's cool. It's a nice casting. So doors open, hood opens, little surfboard on top, or kneeboard, or whatever the heck that is. Pretty cool. And there's a what is this? Land Rover. Kind of cool. I hadn't seen that either. Land Rover Defender. Pretty cool. And the King of Crunch is pretty full. 93 F-150, Silverado, GMC Sierra. There's a Silverado back there. F-250, and there's a F-250 back there. Drive cars, the Malibu, Checker Taxi, Crown Vic, and that's the Ace Ventura car. These micro machines are cool. I love this lineup. I'm just not big into micro machines. It's got the IROC Z, CTS, CT3, split window. It's pretty cool. Trans Am. It's pretty cool. Really cool lineup of cars. I'm just not a big micro machine guy. Some more of those back there, kind of the same. Some here too. What are these? It's kind of cool. 20 Vette, Vette, Jaguar, and then a Mclaren. Oh yeah, cool. There's the back. Different sets. And then we have, of course, some Lamborghini Huracan, Centenario, Titan, WRX, Fast and Furious cars, some Micro Machine Fast and Furious cars, some Fast and Furious, some Batmobile Micro Machines, a Juggermobile, Batcycle, and Batmobile. Cool. Lamborghini Huracan. This is pretty cool. Spider-Man truck. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's real cool. I don't really collect those, so I'm not gonna get it, but pretty cool. 77 Fury, 01 Crown Vic. Same behind it, there's Dom's Roadrunner. Pretty cool. Letty's Challenger SRT8. I used to work for Dodge. I've always kind of worked in the car industry. And I can say that SRT8s are pretty cool. Murcielago, Barracuda. Cool. But yeah, they need a little more stock. It's not incredibly stocked. There's some decent premiums and some monster trucks. There's quite a few of those, but the Hot Wheels, they just, I think they just come out here and just immediately get picked through. But the premiums kind of save the day and make it totally worth it, which is pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna get this Paw Patrol True Metal in addition to the other stuff I got over there at Walmart today. But I think I'm gonna check out here and head to the house, and thank you guys for hanging out. Good luck hunting, and please leave any questions or comments in the comment section. Happy to get back to you. Talk to you guys soon.